Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today, and it's called Hype Aliens. It's a 3D design aliens in hype style which are going to conquer the metaverse with their whole army. But before I go into this particular amazing NFT, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. This is hypealiens.com. I'm going to put the link of this absolutely brilliant NFT, which is going to be amazing and huge, in the description below. You can go over there and check their website out. They're coming in 3 days, 10 hours and 22 minutes. They're on Discord, Twitter and Instagram, and obviously I'm going to show you each one of them. And they are a 3D design alien in a hype style which are going to conquer the metaverse with their whole army. And the first impression that you get of this amazing NFT is the fact that the artistic approach that has gone into developing these aliens is absolutely brilliant. And the hype aliens are modern art in the form of NFT, which are designed by 6 friends which have created a team with 10,000 unique 3D NFTs which are created on the Ethereum blockchain, combined with an exceptional style, a use case and a community which are gonna make Hype Aliens a leader in the world of NFT. As the team Hype Aliens, they aspire to conquer the metaverse together with their splendid community, and they wish to win the hearts of a multitude of people just like them. And obviously they're coming out at the end of February 2022. They will be coming and landing on Earth, and obviously you can be one of those unique individuals that will actually get this amazing 3D NFT. Now guys, this is what makes it so unique. There are legendary artworks are 50 and unique items 150 plus, and unique NFTs of 10,000 NFTs. And if you just have a look at how they have developed this 3D, it actually shows you what makes it so unique. And the whitelist mint, the owners of the NFT will get places on the whitelist for many other equally desirable NFT projects, and they will have events as well where Hype Alien community will have access to numerous events hosted around the globe. And they have car clubs is one of their main elements of their projects, and obviously they wish to create a car club so that the membership is only available to the owners of their Hype Aliens, where Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bentleys, McLarens that are await in their community. They have a lot of giveaways, and to crack up the interest for their project, they will organize giveaways with valuable prizes every single month, and Ferraris or Lamborghinis will find its way to one of their holders. So obviously the amount of merchandise they're developing, the style that they're using makes it so unique. So the project is going to be identified with their merchandise, will be based on individual NFTs. So your NFT will actually be on a merchandise, and that will be something that you will be getting a part of. And the roadmap is one of the most important elements that you gotta know before you invest in any NFT. And any team that develops a successful roadmap, a successful strategy, has a plan, is the one that makes their NFT successful. If you have not invested in board yacht clubs and meta avatars and beans and so many different NFTs, this is the NFT you gotta look out for. This is a train you gotta get on, because if you miss it, you're gonna miss an amazing opportunities. I'm not a financial advisor. I've been making NFT videos for such a long time. They're available on my channel, The Educational Network. You can go and check them out. I know what I'm talking about, and I feel this particular NFT has got what it takes to blow every other NFT out of the water. And the Hype Aliens, which were created in the quantity of 10,000 pieces, and each one of them require maximum care and dedication to ensure the quality of purchase for their investors is absolutely brilliant. And hopefully their price, they say, is going to soar 10, 20, 30, 40 times higher than that, and the reveal is going to take place by the end of this month. So February is a month that you got to keep an eye for. 28th February is going to be the date in which these aliens land, and the strong united community is what makes them such a strong place. And they have united all their families, and they have set a minimal selling price of their NFTs to 1 Ethereum, and they will give over 7 to 10 times profit to each of their investors, and that is why this is going to be so huge. They're going to have a lot of giveaways. They're going to have events in Dubai, LA, Miami, and they're going to have upcoming NFT platforms, and they will have their own token as well by the middle of March 2022. And they will have staking platforms and mobile games and corporations with celebrities and a metaverse and a 3D scanning of it. So obviously they understand who they are, they understand what resources they have, and they understand what they need to actually make this absolutely huge. And for any successful NFT, you gotta have an amazing team behind it. And this particular team has got what it takes. It has the experience. You got Mon1, which is a cryptocurrency and metaverse enthusiast and privately automotive and around the world travel lover, who obviously is the strategy and operationals need. You got the artist and wizard Andrea, who is an artist specializing in 3D design and movie production, and as a high fashion enthusiast, which you can see in the NFTs, and obviously with a 2D artist and front-end developer that understands what this particular NFT needs to make it big in the market. And if you just have a look at the way they've developed their NFT, have a look at the way they've developed their aliens and the character and the amount of artistic and creative approach they've given it, you can understand what they mean is business. And each one of these amazing individuals that have developed this absolutely brilliant NFT has experience in the metaverse, has experience in the crypto space, and obviously with that experience they're bringing onto the table makes it such a successful project. At the end of the day, the main thing you got to keep in mind is who they are, what they intend to do, and how they intend to make it so big. So Hype Alien is an amazing NFT you got to keep an eye for. I'm going to show you their Twitter. You got to join their Discord and their Instagram. The Discord is the place to get reliable information from, and Twitter is where you get all the update information. They have 52,500 followers. I'm going to increase that by 1 right now. And obviously these, if you just look at the amount of engagement they tend to have with their followers, the amount of engagement they tend to have with their users, you will understand why this is going to be so huge. So the price is going to be 0.15 Ethereum, and the mint date is going to be 28th February. Mark that date down on your calendars, because obviously you got to make sure you get one of these amazing NFTs. 0.15 is going to be the mint price, and obviously as soon as this comes out and you get it, it is gonna blow up massively. I've done a lot of videos, I've done a lot of reviews of a lot of NFTs. I feel that this particular NFT is my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I feel that this NFT has got the potential to blow every other NFT out of the water. It's coming, the aliens are landing, and you got to make sure you get on this train, because if you miss this train, you're going to miss an amazing opportunity, guys. At the end, I want to mention this particular fact, that any NFT you invest in, you got to do your research. You got to understand what the dynamics are. They're available on OpenSea. They're available directly by minting from here. You can actually connect your wallet, which will be available on the 28th of February. You can find them anywhere, but join their Discords. Follow them on Instagram and follow them on Twitter. And if you've not seen my videos, go to my channel, The Educational Networks, and give them a watch. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. And you can always drop me a message on my WhatsApp, and WhatsApp number is available in the About section of my channel, The Educational Network, or drop me a message in the comment section below and let me know if there's any other NFT you wish for me to do a review of, and I'll give it a look at. If you got any question, you can also let me know. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.